and debit cards. Credit card is a thin plastic card, usually 3/1/8 inches by 2/1/8 inches in size. It contains identification information such as signature or picture and authorizes the person named on it to charge purchases or services to his account. The concept behind the credit card is buy now, pay later. Credit card issuing process involves obtaining an application form from the prospect, processing the application, analyzing and arriving at the credit score, decision on the type of the card to be issued, issue of card and PIN mailer, dispatch of card and acknowledgement of receipts, card operations. Citibank and HSBC were pioneers in the Indian credit card and market in 1980s. There is no default risk in debit card. Credit card application form includes the personal data of the card applicant, official or professional status, about income, particulars of savings and liabilities, details of immovable property, details of bank account, details of other cards, nomination details for accident insurance cover, payment instructions, request for add-on card, photos of the card applicant and add-on members, and so on. Credit scoring model consists of two parts. Part 1 deals with the criteria to take a decision to issue a card or not. Part 2 deals with the scoring for various parameters submitted by the applicant. Debit cards define the concept buy now, pay now. Credit card charges include annual fee, minimum payment due, credit limit, EMI payments, interest and methods of interest calculation, penalties, etc. Credit cards are issued by banks in two formats, the proprietary format and the co-branded format. Debit cards were marketed with sub-brand names Electron, Visa and Cyrus Master. The parties involved in credit card transaction are cardholder, card issuing bank, merchant, acquiring bank, credit card association and affinity partner. The functioning of a credit card transaction included payment and authorization, authentication, settlement, merchant payment and card payment. Finance charges. Finance charges is equal to outstanding balance into rate of interest into 12 by 365. Besides traditional credit and debit cards, some other types of cards also available. They are prepaid card and forex card. Prepaid card is also known as preloaded card. It cannot be used for cash withdrawal. Finance charges are calculated on daily basis.